Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share some beautiful country chic home decorating ideas to make your space warm, cozy and full of charm. Here are some country chic tips to make your home feel effortless but beautifully curated. Create a clear focal point in each room. Every room should have one main attraction: a styled dining table, a cozy sofa corner, a decorated shelf. Keep other areas softer so the eye naturally goes to that focal point. Add subtle rustic contrast. If everything is too soft, it can feel flat. Add a slightly rough wooden pitch. Use a metal accent like an iron handle or tray. This contrast makes the space more interesting. Repeat textures, not just colors. Don't just repeat colors, repeat materials. Crochet in cushions plus table mats. Wood in shelves plus trays. This creates a strong, cohesive look. Use collected overtime styling. Make it look like your decor wasn't bought all at once. Mix old, new, handmade, and reused items. Avoid identical sets. This gives authentic country charm. Keep reflections soft. If using mirrors or glass, avoid too many shiny surfaces. Balance with soft fabrics or wood. Keeps the cozy feeling intact. Add movement to the space. Bring life into your decor. Light curtains that move with air. Hanging plants. Loose fabric layers. Movement makes the room feel fresh and natural. Use hidden layers. Add depth in subtle ways. Place a cloth under decor items. Layer trays under chairs or candles. A small detail, big visual impact. Stick to a quiet colored story, even with multiple colors. Keep tones soft and slightly muted. Avoid very bright or neon shades. This keeps everything calm and harmonious. Pay attention to small gaps. Tiny spaces matter. Leave a small breathing space between items. Don't push everything together. This makes your decor look intentional, not crowded. Add a touch of everyday life. Country chic feels real. A folded towel on a chair, a teacup on a tray, a book on a table. These small touches make your home feel warm and lived in. Create quiet corners. Not every space needs decor. Leave a small table or corner almost empty with just one vase, one book or tray. This contrast makes your decorated areas stand out more. Add thin wood layers, not heavy pitches. Instead of bulky furniture, use slim wood shelves, thin trays or frames. This keeps the space light but is still rustic. Rotate decor instead of adding more. If things start to feel crowded, store some items. Change them every few weeks. Your home stays fresh without buying anything new. Use odd numbers rule. When styling, group 3 or 5 items together, not 2 or 4. This looks more natural and balanced to the eye. Keep fabrics light and flowing. Avoid stiff or heavy materials. Choose soft cotton, linen, or crochet. Let fabrics fall naturally, not too tight or perfect. Choose muted shine, not glossy. Avoid overly shiny or plastic items. Pick matte, slightly textured finishes. This keeps the soft, vintage feel. Frame your windows gently. Instead of heavy decoration, add a small plant on the sill. Use a simple tie-back curtain. Let natural light be part of your decor. Add one statement vintage page. Instead of many small old items, one vintage block, one large rustic tray, one antique style mirror. This creates a focal point without clutter. Mind the height balance. Separate decor across different levels. Floor baskets, table decor pieces, wall frames or shelves. This makes the room feel complete and balanced. Keep your personal style visible. Don't copy everything exactly. Add your crochet work. Use your favorite colors. Keep items that make you happy. Mix materials for rich texture. Don't stick to just one material. Wood plus glass plus metal plus fabric. Example, wooden tray plus glass jar plus metal candle holder. This layering gives depth without clutter. Create functional decor zones. Make areas that are both useful and pretty. A bread basket corner, a fruit display on the counter, a tea or coffee setup. Stick to small, repeating patterns. Instead of one bold pattern, use small florals, checks, or stripes. Repeat them in different places: curtains, cushions, napkins. This creates harmony across the room. Decorate walls softly. Avoid heavy wall decor. Use small frames in groups. Hang simple art, botanical prints, or quotes. Add a wooden shelf with tiny decor pieces. Keep walls light, not crowded. Use room lighting, very important. Soft yellow lights instead of bright white. Add table lamps or string lights. This creates that warm, cozy evening feel. Display pretty imperfection. Don't hide slightly mismatched items. Different cups or plates together. Old chairs mixed with new ones. It feels natural and welcoming. Bring nature indoors in simple ways. Use branches, leaves, or herbs in chairs. Even a simple green stem can look beautiful. No need for expensive decor. Add fabric in unexpected places. Line shelves with fabric. Use a cloth to cover storage boxes. Add a small curtain under the sink. Soft fabric touches make everything feel cozy. Keep space breathing, even though it's cozy. Leave some empty space. Don't fill every corner. This keeps your home calm, not crowded. Tell a story with your decor. The best country chic homes feel personal. Display handmade crochet items. Use things that have meaning to you. Mix old memories with new pictures. Include handmade and crochet pages, crochet cushion covers, table mats, tea cozies. This added a personal, warm, and homemade charm that defines country chic. Decorate with simple accessories. Less is better, but make each piece count. Glass chairs use as flower vases or storage. Candles or lanterns. Vintage style trays. Use baskets for storage and decor. Wicker or open baskets are both useful and beautiful. Store fruits, towels, or kitchen items. Thanks for watching the video.